Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video is kind of an interesting one. If you remember a couple weeks back, I made various videos about Shopkick. There was a deal right before Christmas Eve, so weeks ago, at Walmart where you would purchase multiples of Old Spice deodorant. You were given back a huge amount of points, making this like a Christmas gift with the app Shopkick. The points were awarded, people's accounts were then frozen, and then the points were taken back with a new policy. And a lot of us said, hey, this isn't okay. This isn't right. And a lot of you lost really big. Last night, this app had a change of heart. If you did the deal right before Christmas, you're given your points back. My friend Rolling Coupon Moms on Instagram has been posting every movement of this because she was affected by it. She went and did the deal right before Christmas Eve. And in your notifications folder, this showed up yesterday. And then this morning, I think she spent just under $200 into this deal. Her points to reflect the $200 is there, and she's going to be cashing out for PayPal or a gift card today. And they are trying to make this right. I think the amount of people that were really upset, it just kept growing, and they tried to make it right. And I'm going to ask you guys, do you think this is enough? I'm going to let you guys know too, if you deleted your account, what you would do is go back in the App Store, download the app, put your email that you had your account in along with the password, and the points should be there for you hopefully sometime this week. Rolling Coupon Moms had hers this morning, but it said it could take up to a week for them to post into your account. And you can definitely look for this notification if you did the Old Spice deal and hold their feet to the fire because it's right there. So what are my thoughts on it? Well, obviously I was following this with some intention because a lot of people were messaging me saying, hey, I lost 200, I lost 300 on this. Like, can you believe it? I have never seen an app do anything like this in my almost 15 years of extreme couponing with the apps, savings apps and stuff. And to award something and then to just say it's a software glitch, to change the policy, to offer $20, and then just to take the points back. And people were not having it. And a lot of influencers were speaking up for everybody saying, hey, this isn't cool, guys. Like, you have to do something. And $20 isn't enough. But it went dormant for a better part of a week. And I think people were still flooding their social media with like, this isn't okay. And now if you check the app, hopefully your money is going to be there this week. So I work for you guys. The deals that you want to see. I don't do a lot of Walmart deals, but sometimes I do the odd Shopkick deal here and there. I'm going to bring it back to you. Do you want to see Shopkick on my channel in the future? Yes or no? I think that this is a step in the right direction that they awarded the kicks back. I think there were enough people that were really upset by it, and they tried to do this. But the timing of all of this is in the worst time, if you think about it. People, right before Christmas, they gave all the deodorants away. They brought it to a homeless shelter. They gifted them. They gifted the gift sets that were Old Spice. And for all of this just to be taken away in this confusing and weird fashion, I don't fully understand it. And will this happen again? I don't know. I can't read the future. But it's a bad practice. There are a good amount of shoppers that will only do deals when the item is free, and this lined up to be a free item right on Christmas Eve. Imagine spending $100 to $300 on deodorant and for it to be all taken away and for it just to be so confusing. And right now in this economy, the price of gas, the price of groceries, who really has $300 to spend on Old Spice deodorant? I certainly didn't, and that's why that deal never appeared on this page. It's not like I was spending $11 on something. Like, spending 192 versus 11, big difference. Do you think that this is enough, guys? I'm going to throw it to you, and you can let me know in the comments down below. They did offer up an apology, but it came 4 weeks late, in my opinion. I'm still kind of hesitant to use this app because we already saw what they did the last couple of weeks, what's going to happen the next big promotion where they have a software glitch or an issue or handing out the points. I'm just not very confident. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you did the Old Spice deal, I would do a PayPal drop today. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.